Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture, we studied about oxidation reaction. We define oxidation in three ways. Oxidation is the loss of electron by increasing oxidation number, gain of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Today we study about reduction. We define reduction in three ways. First one is the gain of electron. Second one is the loss of oxygen. Third one is the gain of hydrogen. First we describe gain of electron. When oxidation state decrease by gain of electron, it is called reduction. For example, when iron 3 gains 3 electron, it will be reduced to iron and its oxidation state is assigned 0 according to the rule of oxidation state. When atom in free elemental or uncombined form, the oxidation state is assigned as 0. यहाँ पर आयरन 3 हमारे पास जो है वो आयन की फॉर्म में है और उसमें वो जब वो 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है तो उसकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 3 से +3 से 0 पे चली जाती है, यानी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डिक्रीज़ हो जाती है. इट मीन्स कि आयरन 3 जो है वो रिड्यूस हो गया है आयरन में. सेम विद द केस ऑफ मैग्नीशियम +2. When it gains 2 electron, it will be converted to magnesium or reduced to magnesium. इस केस में मैग्नीशियम की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +2 से 0 पे चली गई है. सो मैग्नीशियम +2 is reduced to magnesium. Iron 3 and magnesium 2 are the example of metallic cation, while we come to the non-metallic element of group 7A, that is chlorine, and group 6A, that is oxygen. In free elemental form, chlorine oxidation state is 0. It has the tendency to gain 1 electron and it will be converted to chloride or Cl-. Same with the case of oxygen. The atomic state of oxygen is assigned 0. When it gains 2 electron, it will be reduced to oxide or O-2. अब इन दोनों केसेस में क्लोरीन के और अगर ऑक्सीजन के एग्जांपल को देखा जाए तो क्लोरीन 0 से -1 की तरफ गया है. इट मीन्स कि ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डिक्रीज़ हो गई है. ऑक्सीजन जो है वो 0 से -2 पे गया है, इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डिक्रीज़ हो गई है. तो व्हेन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट डिक्रीज बाय द गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इट इज़ कॉल्ड रिडक्शन. Now in second way we describe reduction is the removal of oxygen or loss of oxygen. इस केस में जब आपके पास ऑक्सीजन किसी भी कंपाउंड में से रिमूव होती है या एलिमिनेट होती है तो उस प्रोसेस को हम रिडक्शन कहते हैं. कॉपर ऑक्साइड जो हम ट्रीट करते हैं हाइड्रोजन के साथ, तो ऑक्सीजन जो है वो कॉपर ऑक्साइड में से रिमूव हो जाती है और इट विल बी रिड्यूस टू कॉपर. In this equation, when hydrogen is added to copper oxide loses oxygen to form copper and it means that copper oxide will reduce to copper. Now the third way to describe reduction is the gain of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction or hydrogenation. We take the example of ethene, in which double bond exists between carbon and carbon. When its hydrogenation occurs in the presence of nickel, which act as a catalyst at temperature 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, it gains hydrogen and it will be converted to ethane. Here we can see that double bond is converted to single bond. Ethene gains hydrogen and it will be converted to ethane. It means that ethene is reduced to ethane. It is an important industrial process in food industry. When we hydrogenate oil in the presence of nickel at 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, it is converted into ghee or margarine. Now we sum up our lecture. We define reduction in three ways. That is the gain of electron by decreasing oxidation number, loss of oxygen, and gain of hydrogen. In the end, we make the comparison of oxidation and reduction reaction. In oxidation reaction, addition of oxygen atoms to a substance, while in case of reduction, that is the removal of oxygen atoms from a substance. Second difference is the removal of hydrogen atom from a substance is called oxidation, while addition of hydrogen atom to a substance is called reduction. Third difference is the loss of electron from a substance by increase in oxidation state is called oxidation reaction, while gain of electron from a substance by decrease in its oxidation state is called reduction reaction. I hope students you understood it well. If you find any difficulty, you can ask through WhatsApp group. Thank you.